Actor Salman Khan was acquitted by the Jodhpur Sessions Court in the 1998 illegal arms case today. Salman Khan arrived in Jodhpur on Tuesday along with his sister Alvira. The court initially was furious over the actor's absence and asked him to appear before the court within 30 minutes. The court cited lack of evidence as the reason for the acquittal. Giving the benefit of doubt to the actor, Chief Judicial Magistrate Dalpat Singh Rajpurohit gave his verdict. Members of the Bishnoi community, though, are unhappy with the acquittal, and they claim that the Rajasthan government should move the High Court against the order. Salman allegedly possessed illegal arms during the shooting of his film Hum Saath Saath Hain in Jodhpur almost 18 years ago. The actor allegedly had 2 firearms with him, the license of which had already expired, but he used them to hunt 2 black bucks on the 1st and 2nd of October in Kankani village in the outskirts of Jodhpur. In his first reaction, he thanked his supporters and fans for their relentless support. This is one of the 4 cases against Salman Khan.
सलमान खान को बरी कर दिया है। सलमान खान के विरुद्ध 2 आरोप थे। 3/25 यानी अवैध हथियार अपने कब्जे में जोधपुर में रखना और दूसरा अवैध हथियारों से हिरण का शिकार करना। कोर्ट ने ये कहा है कि जो साक्ष्य अभियोजन पक्ष ने पेश की है उससे संदेह से परे ये साबित नहीं हुआ है कि जोधपुर में सलमान खान ने अवैध हथियार अपने कब्जे में रखे, और अभियोजन पक्ष ये भी साबित करने में पूर्णतः असफल रहा है कि उन हथियारों से हिरणों का शिकार किया गया।
And the verdict came as a huge relief not just for Salman Khan but also for millions of his fans. Here's a look at some reactions.
मैम, दिल से तो बहुत खुशी हुई है क्योंकि वो जब भी जोधपुर आते हैं तो उनके फेस पे जो स्माइल वाली फेस नहीं होती है, हमेशा टेंस फेस होता है। अब आगे से जब भी आएंगे तो हम चाहते हैं कि वो खुशी से जोधपुर आए।
All right, let's get a word from our correspondent Devankar Badhavan, who's with us live from outside the Jodhpur court, which granted a clean chit to actor Salman Khan this morning. Dev, you got us some reactions from members of the Bishnoi community a short while back who were upset with the clean chit being granted to Salman Khan. Are they going to approach the Rajasthan government and ask it to approach a high court against the order, or will they be moving the high court themselves?
Well, Simi, what we're getting to hear is that a memorandum is being prepared by the Bishnoi community representatives to approach the Rajasthan government with that and ask it to go ahead and approach the Rajasthan High Court and appeal against the verdict today. They are claiming that there are several loopholes that are there in the verdict. What we have also been told by them is that the prosecution did not investigate the matter properly. In fact, the CJM today, Mr. Dalpat Singh, clearly indicted or criticized the prosecution for not being able to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the arms that were in question were in Jodhpur on that fateful day. So clearly, they believe that the prosecution did not do its job, because of which Salman Khan was acquitted today. There is also a sense gaining ground amongst them that today's verdict can have an impact on the case, on the Blackbuck case, the one remaining case in Jodhpur, in which Salman Khan is still an accused along with 4 other stars from the movie Hum Saath Saath Hain. So clearly the case can see further development if the Rajasthan government once again goes ahead and approaches a higher court in this case as well. Simi?
All right, Dev, thanks so much for the update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more reactions.